The Galaxy S23 series will be released in early 2023, and we already know a lot about the S23 Ultra. But updated information is constantly being released, and now the official specs have been verified. In addition, for the first time ever, Samsung is not following Apple, which means the Galaxy S23 Ultra may be a better device than Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max. You may be aware that smartphone brands frequently copy each other, with the best example being the two largest smartphone companies, Samsung and Apple, who are direct competitors. When Samsung releases something new, Apple copies it later, even if it takes decades to implement it on iPhones. Similarly, Samsung has always loved to do the same, but unlike Apple, they take quick steps. Samsung has a disadvantage in that they replicate negative things from Apple as well. For example, after eliminating the headphone jack and the free charger in the box, Apple has done its most important act and eliminated the physical SIM slot for the US market with the iPhone 14 series. Since then, we've received numerous complaints from users who are having problems with it. This is a huge inconvenience for so many people, especially when traveling to another country or wanting to switch carriers, but you're now forced to use the carriers in your home country and pay international roaming fees. We felt that was the start of something that would happen internationally, and considering how Samsung departed to duplicate Apple, we assumed they could do something similar for the US market, but that may not be the case. According to recent reports, Samsung will continue to use physical SIM slots on all Galaxy S23 models, which is excellent news for some but may be a huge barrier to international connection for others. In addition, the final specifications of the Galaxy S23 Ultra have been verified. Yes, S23 Ultra has just received regulatory approval in China, which validates what we already know. It features a few modest upgrades worth noting, beginning with its weight. The S23 Ultra is somewhat heavier than the S22 Ultra, weighing in at 223 grams. Honestly, 5 grams isn't much a difference this time. The S23 Ultra will begin with 256 GB of storage, up from 128 GB on the S22 Ultra last year. This is really fantastic news since 128 GB is insufficient storage and the absence of a microSD card port means you will be paying less for 256 GB storage than you did last year. It's a win-win scenario for everyone. The memory will be available in two sizes, 8 GB and 12 GB for the S23 Ultra. However, the vanilla model Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus will only have 8 GB of storage, which is insufficient for flagship phones in 2023. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.